Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Spiex credit card holder, minimalist aluminum wallet, RFID money clip, card case, and it is sold by Kitty Official. It is made of sturdy and durable, made of high quality aviation aluminum alloy, anti-corrosion, durable, and wear resistance. And it is slim and flexible. Can hold up to 12 cards and some dollars in the metal clip. Flexible elastic bands with the C-shape push design. You can take out the cards conveniently. It is a lightweight credit card holder. Can fit in front pockets nicely without heavy and bulky. The size is the dimension is 3.4 inch by 2.1 by 0.5 inch. RFID blocking function prevent your private information from stealing by data thief. Keep your vital information safe. Package included is aluminum alloy wallet and one piece of screwdriver. And then the weight, it's 2.08 ounce. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed and none of the description. So let's go ahead and then tear this apart. So it says Spiex. Spiex credit card holder. Black, made in China. Let's go ahead and then pop this open. Let me give you the 360 view of the box real quick. As you can see, it's kind of smashed during delivery, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and then check this out. So let's open this up. Wow, nice. So it's come with this screwdriver. Got this two rubber oil ring right here. Give you a better grip. So this is a torque screw. It's not Phillips. So apparently you could unscrew those screws. I'm not sure what for, but maybe to adjust the size or something. Let's check. So let me try to open this up and see what is the purpose of this. Hopefully I'm not going to mess up the elastic. Just want to check it out. Oh. So this will be the tiny screw size, so make sure you put it back in the case so you don't lose it. Oh. So there are like 6 screws, okay? Oh, come on, I keep falling. Hopefully you can see it better. Oh, so this is So I guess in case the elastic band got ripped or broke, you could replace it then. Yeah, so that's the purpose of that. This is screw on. So I guess you could buy the replacement of this elastic band because elastic, just like your underwear, it doesn't last forever. So that's the purpose of this screw driver. I mean, the star screwdriver for you to replace the band later on. All right. So those are elastic band. Those are stretchable. Wow, that's pretty wide. And then you got another one right here on the bottom. And you got this C clip right here for you to push your credit card out or your business card out. And you got this money clip right here. Pretty nice. So I got some of this ESPN Zone. I got business cards and then my extra SIM card and Prestige at the Palazzo and Mediterranean at the hotel or from Vegas. Check it out if you could just pop this in. The business card is kind of too long. So you just pop in your credit card or whatever membership that you have into this super slim wallet. And I got some cash over here, okay? If you buy folded, it's not gonna fit too well, but some people, they put it like this. But I'd rather suggest you to put in to fold it one more time. Okay, there you go. So you want blocking this C clip, and then if you want to take out your card, you just push it out. Okay, and after that, you just try to see which card you want to take it out. Got your left, right, or your middle section. Okay, and just take it out like this. Some other people or the user or viewers out there, they'll try to take it out from here. So unfortunately, it's going to be very difficult. You had to open this up and try to yank it out. But I guess they didn't know about the C clip right here. Okay, all you do is just push it or gentle press, and then you just want to make it even to side out, at least like that. Okay. And then you're gonna open up, see which card you want to get out. Just get a little stretch, okay? And just like you counting the money or whatever, and just take whatever card that you want to use. That's it. All right. So this is my unboxing for this aluminum credit card holder plus money clip. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I will include on the link that is going to show on below to check this out on Amazon, and share this with your friends, families, or on social media, and drop any other comments on below. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out, guys.